Hi, and thanks for watching this video about my homebrew computer. This is a follow-on video from the previous one where I had implemented a chiptune Pro Tracker player that allows tunes to be played in the background. And the whole point about being able to do that is that I could put a game or some other program in the foreground with a nice tune running. And tunes are best with games, and I'd always intended to implement some better sound on my Tetris game. So if I go to the Tetris folder of my homebrew, what you can see here are three files called Tetris.prg, Tetris, Tetris 2 and Tetris 3. Tetris 2 and 3 use a simple tune that I was playing using dflat with just notes and interval between notes, and it was pretty clunky. Now I've added some PT3 files, some sound files, chiptune files that the Tetris 3 program will be able to play instead of the horrible tune that I had tried to pull together. So let's load this up. You can see the little light flashing there, which shows the SD card being accessed. This light flashing here is just the vertical blank interrupt running. That's all that's showing. But basically, what this program does is load these PT3 files into shadow memory, into alternate banks of memory. So the main program still runs whilst the tunes and the player are in the background, and also literally a different memory bank. So I don't have to use up any of my precious main RAM for this, and flipping between memory banks is pretty fast, so I do inside an interrupt, switch between different banks to play the sound data. So without further ado, let's go. So I've obviously got a joystick attached to this, and that's how you play this game. So the first thing you have obviously is a little attract tune, which I can switch off because it can get annoying, or I can switch it back on. And if I switch it on, as I've done here, then that will also play the main tune during the game. So let's start the game. So this is these are not tunes that I've made myself, but ones that I found on the internet. And very well done to the excellent composers who can transcribe popular tunes and their own tunes to this Pro Tracker format. And this is of course popcorn. And if you might remember, or if you've seen my older videos of this game, you'll know that I had a version of popcorn, but it didn't sound anywhere nice as this. And I think it adds to the atmosphere of the game, it kind of adds a bit of tension and energy, and I think it makes it more fun. The compromise is that I don't have any sound effects when you get a line. I used to have a little sound effect to do that, but I felt that that compromise was more than worth it. And now it feels like a proper little game. So all of this is running in D-flat. In fact, let me break into the program and then I can list it. And the tune's still going on in the background, of course. You might be able to read it better if I actually put it into standard mode. So you can see the program is there, background is still running. So what I need to do is actually switch off the Pro Tracker. And then let's go back into it, and so there you go. That's my game playing music in the background. I think it makes it way better than it was before in terms of its feel. And yeah, hope you like this video.